Hi guys, it's Future Labs. My name is Froll, and today we're going to talk about the absolutely super important tools to analyze all the crypto markets. You need to know that if you want to invest, if you want to trade, if you want to speculate, intraday, swing, like whatever, you just need to know about these tools and understand how you can use them for sure. But before this video starts, I'd like to ask you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot now in the future, and if you subscribe, be sure that you won't miss any cool, interesting upcoming projects. Let's go. The first one is called the coin glass, and it shows to us how many longs and how many shorts in percent and in numbers in total in dollars do we have on different exchange right now. This is super important because usually if there is more shorts, for example, if we see on any exchange for around 55-60% of shorts, then usually the market will grow because of these shorts, because everyone's been catching this liquidity, they just catching it out and going up on these short guides, on short squeezes, on liquidations, and on people who closing their shorts because the market are starting to grow. And this is extremely important to know. You can check any exchange that you need, and especially your exchange, because usually maybe particularly your exchange will grow more or will dump more because there are more shorts or more longs in there. And of course you can choose any altcoin that you want. I believe any famous altcoin that can be on some exchanges, like for example Solana or whatever, you can just go check in there and look for this percentage of short and long thing. This is really very important. The next one is this super famous speedometer that every, I don't know, Telegram YouTuber are using and saying, oh my god guys, we're falling, there is extreme fear right now, everything is so bad, or there's extreme greed right now. I don't know, I can't say really greed because you can't say like fear and greed on the other side. I want to say fear and euphoria index, because if we are over here, it's everybody like got an euphoria, we are all gonna be so rich, we all gonna make it. I made 1,000% yesterday for 1 minute. Tomorrow I'm buying a Lambo or something like that. And when we are here, that it means that like everything is falling, there are some panic, everybody is talking Bitcoin is scam, we're going to 10,000, we're going to 1,000, we're going to $100 and all of this. This is very important indicator to understand the mood, the vibes of the market participators right now, what they're doing, what they're thinking of. And usually if we are in the extreme fear, there is no any like pumping up, any really strong growing. We won't see it until we will go to here. From the other side, we will not fall so hard when we are in extreme greed, or I won't say in euphoria. And we can see now we have extreme fear. Yesterday was extreme fear, last week was extreme fear, last month was extreme fear as well. And this means that potentially, more probably, we won't be growing really hard in a recent time. The next one is called the corn tools. This is actually really amazing, I would say fascinating tool that's showing us a liquidations, because I was showing one of my videos the strategy based on the liquidations, and I was talking about that usually market can going from the liquidations. Like if we got a lot of liquidations long, we are going down. If we have a lot of liquidations of short, we are going up. And in here we can see all the liquidations in a real time for like right now, what is going on in here on the main exchange, FTX, Coinbase, yeah, Binance, like whatever. There are many exchanges, because all of these channels in the Telegram, they are mostly like Binance or something. There is not too much exchanges in here, and here we can see a really huge liquidations that are going right now, probably on the most exchanges. And what I really love about this service is that like here everything is in one place, because just because when we are using our Telegram channel, we're seeing our Telegram and there are graph, and this is like kind of two different things, and here is graph and these liquidations are in one place, and I believe it will draw you a metrica if you have so many liquidations like in a few past minutes, and you can open a few graphs. So yeah, I really love this tool if you're trading swing, in-day, intraday, using a minute graphs, 5-minute graphs. Make sure you're using this. Last one is called the Cryptometer.io, and here we can see a number of trades for the past hours, how many trades were exactly, are they growing or going down, and this is also extremely important to understand and to know, because all of the big moves are going when we have a lot of volume like this, when everything is growing. So it's around like 60k, 80k, I don't know, something like that, up to million, let's say. And when you, for example, opening a trade and you see a really low number of trades, this is better for you to close, because it won't be so soon. You will see what your deal will give you, especially when you're trading into the intraday. Yeah, so this number of trades is super important to understand what's the volume, what the trades right now is super important. And also we have in here the live activity for the past hours, and this is very useful if you're trading with candles, with 1 hour candles or 4 hour trades. You just exactly understand what's going on for the past hour or for the past 4 hours. And usually if, for example, we're showing here in 1 hour trades like 60% everywhere are going to the short, probably next few hours we will be going short, we will be going down, we will be going dumped as well. Yeah, or from like another side, for example, you just see on graph only starting a new red candle and don't understand, will it be a big move or it won't, will it grow or it's not, should I close my short or should I open a long or whatever. You just go into the website and you see a lot of positions are opening here, and there's kind of dominance long up to the shorts, and then potentially it will be a really strong movement, and you need to close your short if you have one, and not lose your money on it, or open a long, or together open a long and get yourself a profit. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked this video, hope it was useful for you. I hope you will improve with that tools, you will improve your crypto trading, your flipping, you can say flipping coins, yeah, potentially flipping coins, potential in many times. See you guys later.